Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to set custom max heart rate on Fitbit. So to get started with a quick and straightforward guide, so the first step, which is to open the Fitbit app. So to do this, launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android device. Then make sure you are signed in your Fitbit account. Then on the step 2, you have to tap your profile icon. So to do this, tap the profile icon in the top left corner, then select your Fitbit device from the list. Then on the step 3, you have to go to heart rate zone. So to do this, scroll down and tap on heart rate zone. By default, Fitbit use the formula 220, which is your age, to calculate max heart rate. Then on the step 4, set a custom max heart rate, then tap custom zone or custom max heart rate depending on your app version. Then enter your desired maximum heart rate value, then tap save. Then on step 5, you have to sync your device. So to do this, ensure your Fitbit device is synced with the app to apply the changes. And here's a quick very important note: not all Fitbit models support custom heart rate zone. So if you don't see this option on your device may be limited to automatic settings, and that's how you can simply set custom max heart rate on Fitbit. Find the video helpful. Subscribe for more.